These Easy Bar cookies are chewy, ooey, gooey, delicious. One of my family favorites. No mixing, just layer and bake. Welcome in, Taylor Kitchen family. Today we are making these really easy magic cookie bars. I'm going to a cookie swap tomorrow, and my daughter reminded me that, gosh, we haven't had these bars in a while, but they were like a tradition in our family, and I've been making them for about 40 years because they're so easy. It's a bar cookie. You just layer everything in a pan and you bake it. It couldn't be any easier than that. So let's get started on these. I'm gonna start by melting a stick of butter in the oven in the very pan that we're gonna build everything in. And I'm going to do myself a favor and put some parchment paper down so it's really easy to lift everything out and not have to pry it out of my baking pan. And you know, when you put parchment paper in the pan like this, you know, it doesn't want to stay where you put it. Here's what you do. You show it who's boss. Now it will settle much more easily in that pan, and all I need to do is just put in my stick of butter. I'm gonna put this back in my 350 oven just until the butter melts. Hey there, if you haven't yet, please take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications to our YouTube channel. Click that bell icon below to make sure you get all the latest from us. And give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. We love, love, love to hear from you, and it really helps out our channel. Also, check us out at tkfoodie.com. Hey there, if you have a small or medium-sized channel or even a big channel that you're trying to grow on YouTube, vidIQ is what you need to check out. I've been using vidIQ for a couple of years now. They give you these fabulous tags, thumbnail ideas, lots of analytics, optimal times to post, and much more that can really help your channel grow. I highly, highly recommend them. Click that link below to get more information on vidIQ and grow your channel. Just to show you, this is my recipe that I've been using for 40 years. I think it came off a can of sweetened condensed milk originally, and half of it's been ripped off. It's gone. But like I said, they're so easy. I have even written beside this, great, to emphasize how good these cookie bars are. And they're so adaptable. So if there's anything in here that you don't like, you can put in something else. Super easy. That butter is all melted, as you can see, and it's evenly distributed at the bottom of my pan. And then I need to add 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs. Now you can buy these already crumbed. I actually did some in my food processor. I need them for a couple of things I'm making today, so I just did a bigger batch. There's a cup, and then I need 1/2 cup. And I'm just going to kind of with my hands spread them out evenly. Okay, and then we start to layer whatever you want. So I'm going to do a little bit of coconut. If you don't like coconut, don't put coconut in it. This is unsweetened coconut, so I didn't want these bars to be like super duper sweet. It's gonna be sweet enough with the sweetened condensed milk, and that's coming in a minute. And then we need 1 cup of nuts. And I have a mixture of some pecans and then some pistachios. That's gonna be good. And just scatter them evenly all over the bars. Then chocolate chips. These are dark chocolate chips. Use milk if you like milk chocolate. Use white chocolate. Like I said, this is so incredibly adaptable. The glue that holds everything together as this bakes is sweetened condensed milk. And I'm using coconut sweetened condensed milk, which is pretty easy to find now. I'm going to kind of spoon it out as best I can. It was pretty thick. But you want to get this evenly over the top of your cookie bars. All right, this is going back into my 350 oven for about 20 minutes. The topping is going to get nice and bubbly, and the nuts are going to toast, and it's going to be a glorious thing. These are out of the oven, and that sweetened condensed milk got so golden and bubbly and adhered everything together. Now the hard part is just letting them cool before you slice into them. But they will come out of this pan very easily thanks to the parchment paper. The wait is over. See how easy they come out of the pan when you use the parchment paper. So get a big knife. That really helps because these are pretty well chilled now. And then just cut them into your desired sized pieces. They're very rich. I recommend small pieces. And that is your magic cookie bar. Chocolatey, nutty, coconutty. Love the pistachios in there. These are amazing. And you saw how quickly, build it, bake it, slice it, eat it. And you've got to check out this simple recipe. It's on tkfoodie.com. We're just waiting for the butter to melt. It's gonna melt in just a little bit. It's just gonna take a while because my oven is still preheating to 350 and I put the butter in there. So there you go.